Hemorrhaging turnovers, and the Nets are feasting. Unable to come up with the rebounds. Brown on the cut. No. Jordan, yes.
That was Paul George driving in, making the layup. Reggie Jackson to Zubac for the one-handed slam. For last 7, if they do it, that's the question. We'll be watching courtside tonight. Caleb Martin takes it to the rim, finishes with the nasty dunk. That's for the break. Through the defense. There, the former defensive player, but here was the big blocker, Williams. And Gobert again with the big block. Conley alley-oop to Gobert on the offensive end. For the dunk, he had 13 points and 14 rebounds, 7 overall. Booker lobbing it up to DeAndre Ayton.
Organized, so you don't know who's going to figure it out during this stretch. It's Tatum. He's
Booker lobs it up to Robert Williams III for the alley-oop slam.
Portland with the ball. They're down 2 here. 45 seconds left